No, doesn't seem to.
I had to send this guy an email and tell him how good it flies on that 400. You wait till I get some fake jets on the front of that sucker.
It might slow it down too much.
Well, I tell you what, it won't fly in the wind.
No. If you had twins on it, it would, one on each wing.
Yeah. Is. Did you bring your video camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cold engine.
Yes, sir. I never got it. See, I could do my way to the hill. You can talk to me. Yeah. I had one, I'm not lying. What happened Tuesday? I got in there a little too late. I went down, I got a big piece there. I put it back. I got out the deep hole when I was coming back to the big man.
Did you find the close-up button?
Yeah, I got one just like this one, man.
Oh, good.
I'm okay. I was afraid to look up. Yeah. I got Oh, yeah. I was trained to move. Well, I got used to it.
Think I got enough power?
Oh yeah, you got plenty of power.
I'm gonna go ahead and come in for a landing.
All right, I'm gonna get you on film here, dude. Let me know when you're on final, man. Okay?
Huh?
Let me know when you set for final.
I'm set up.
Okay.
I just brought my power down.
All right, I got you.
Coming in, guys. Coming in, guys. Yeah. That wasn't one of my best ones.
I'll tell you what, you're my hero, brother. You can land anything.
Well, look at that. Almost had it on that.
Is it still running?
Some of them are probably, but I'll just
I'm gonna have to get the battery
I'll just
charged up
throw
on my
grass
finger.
all over it if.
You know, if you was hunting